At OpenView Education, our mission is to empower students with the skills and knowledge that they need to stay safe and live successful, happy lives. We do this through providing highly interactive workshops and assemblies for schools, combining creativity with practical learning. With a background in professional performance, our workshops are highly interactive, providing fantastic educational value. Our workshops are differentiated for students of all ages, catering for your whole school. We offer workshops on anti-bullying, online safety, wellbeing, knife crime awareness, and promoting a love of reading for World Book Day. We're proud to say that our work is experienced by over 150,000 students and teachers across the UK every year.
To other teachers who are considering booking a workshop with OpenView Education, I would say just do it. It's well worth it. The girls learnt so much today.
I would use informational, fun and enjoyable.
Fun, exciting and interesting.
So get in touch today via phone or email, and a friendly member of our team will help to find the best options for your school.